Hello, dear beauties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Safeera, and welcome to the journey of styles and fashion. So, dear beautiful ladies, in my today's video, I'm going to share with you beautiful, hot, stylish, and trendy collection of summer season floral maxi skirt dresses, most stylish, trending, and hot ideas of skirts outfit for your summer seasons. Beautiful colors, beautiful styles, beautiful designs of skirt outfit today you are going to exploring in this video. So must watch video till the end. It's more than 100 plus styles and designs of skirt outfit for beautiful girls and beautiful women. You are going to exploring A-line style skirts, maxi skirts, hem skirts, layer skirts, ruffle work style skirts with different and amazing styles, amazing designs, amazing styling techniques with beautiful and stylish blouses and top styles. You will get the ideas how to style your different styles and different types of tops and blouses with your amazing stylish skirts outfit. Those girls, those women who love to style skirt outfit, who love to wear skirt styles, skirts outfit for different wears. So these are the best and latest ideas of skirt outfit you are going to exploring in this video. So must watch video till the end and don't skip any idea, don't skip any style of skirts. And please don't forget if you are new on my channel. So please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, dear beauties, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. If you are going to love these designs, if you are loving these types of skirts outfits, so please don't forget to share my video with your friends, with your relatives. Do support me by sharing my video. I will be very thankful to you if you are going to share my video and if you are going to supporting me. Party wear skirt outfit, casual wear, daily wears, formal wear skirts outfit ideas for beautiful girls, for beautiful women who love to style skirts outfit. You will be find our cotton fabric skirts, chiffon fabric, nylon fabric, and georgette fabric style skirts outfit. Comfortable, stylish, and lightweight skirts outfit for your summer season for enhance your summer styles, for enhance your summer look. So fashionable and stylish girls and women must have these styles and these types of skirt for outfit for their 2025 wardrobe. So must watch video dear beauties till the end. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, visit on my channel and watch other videos of dresses. I have already uploaded about 1000 collection of dresses on my channel. So go on my channel and watch the other videos, watch other collection of fashion and dresses. I hope so you will enjoy those ideas, you will enjoy these styles of dresses, and those videos will also be helpful and useful for you. Please don't forget to like and share video, don't forget to subscribe channel, and also giving your feedback in the comment section. So must enjoy the video till the end.